Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by setting prerequisites. Install a reputable VPN and pick a server in the region you want. Once done, open a fresh browser profile or incognito window to avoid prior cookies. This prevents Google from linking to old accounts. Make sure you have a phone number ready for SMS verification and a separate recovery email. You're starting with privacy and clean state. That reduces friction and keeps Google's signals consistent while you create the account. With VPN active and confirmed to not leak DNS or IP, navigate to Gmail and select Create Account. You need to act steadily. Enter a realistic name, choose a username that matches the server region conventions if needed, and set a strong password. When prompted for phone verification, use the prepared number. Google may sometimes accept an alternative verification method, so try email recovery if available. Make sure not to link other Google services right away. Keep this account minimal to avoid behavioral signals that could trigger checks. Finish by completing all verification steps and immediately enable two-step verification using an authenticator app or SMS to secure access. Once done, sign out. Reconnect to the same VPN server to maintain consistent geolocation signals, then sign back in to confirm normal behavior. If Google blocks creation or flags the account, try changing servers, clear cookies, and attempt again. If issues persist, pause for 12 to 24 hours and retry with a different verified phone. This troubleshooting tip resolves most verification and block problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.